What is going on, family? Cribs here. Hey, welcome back. To all of my faithful subscribers, thank you for coming back and chilling and giving me your quality time. To anybody that is new here, my name is Mike Cribs. I'm known as Swag in the community. I have an Instagram channel that is _swagfather_. This is a channel where we talk about beard products. I do unboxings and first impressions. I do mega unboxings. I do reviews on these companies to kind of give you an idea of the things that I like, the things that I buy, so you can kind of see a preview of the products that you may be thinking of buying, and then you can get my impression of things and maybe go out and have some confidence in your purchase. This is a channel of positivity. This is a channel of love. This is a channel of support, openness, transparency, vulnerability, Jesus Christ. That's what this channel is founded on. I had a couple of companies that I had purchased to do an unboxing and a review on. That's going to be put on hold for a minute. I had a couple of others that I bought, just singles, little things that I had purchased to go with my collections, to go ahead and round those out. But I'm going to hold off on those for a minute as well. I had a company reach out to me and ask me if they could send me some stuff, and I would do an unboxing and do a review for them. So everything else that I had bought has been put on hold, and I'm going to go ahead and review this company that blessed me with some products and had enough trust and faith in me to go ahead and give a review for them, to tell you my honest opinion of them. So go ahead and grab you something to drink, enjoy the intro, and I'll be back in just a minute. Welcome back, y'all. The company that I'm going to be doing today, not only was it sent to me, but it was sent to my brother Tyson at Faithfully Bearded. He's already got his first impressions out already, and he's going to be doing a review, testing out the products, and giving you his impression on Friday. I'm going to test them out for the next few days, and then I'm going to give you my opinion and the testing of and the results of my testing out the products on Saturday. So you get kind of a double 1-2 punch. Tyson and I get together and we do a podcast. We just did it actually last night, and it'll be out on Spotify. I don't think there's any video of it, but we get together and we do a devotional together as brothers, talking about Christ and the struggles that we go through. The blessings that we get. It's really cool, man. I love teaming up with this guy, this brother of mine, to get together and build this community up with the foundation of Jesus Christ, and get to share these products. That's what it's about to us. That's what we're about. Also, we do the Mike Tyson show on Sunday nights, which is amazing as well. We just banter back and forth, talk about whatever's on our mind, talk about the beard products, what's going on in the community, what's going on in our life. Just a really great connection between two Christian men that are reviewers of beard products as well. So if you haven't subscribed to Tyson, if you haven't heard of Tyson at Faithfully Bearded, go over to his YouTube channel and give him a subscription. Give that boy some support. He's amazing. But the products that we're doing that were sent out to us is from Ron Sowers, the Bearded Pup out of Ohio. So let's get into this box and see what we got going on, family. I know I'm not supposed to be cutting towards myself, but I'm a professional. Hope everybody's day was great. It's hump day. 2 more days to go, and then we got a weekend for you guys at work, Monday through Friday. Let's see what else you got here. Best day ever. Home box. Bearded Pup. Then his logo. Let's just get in here and see what we got. I don't think I have a discount code yet, but I'm going to try. I've reached out to him and I haven't heard back yet. So you can see we've got some peanuts. Oh my gosh, yes. Brothers. First of all, check that out. Flat bill. Let me just sit here and check the lid out for a minute. It's a Yupun. Let's rock this thing right now, family. You know what it's all about. Open this thing up. Should be number 3. Very nice patch. Snap back. Oh yeah. Perfecto. All right, let's see what we got here. Butter. More butter. And he sent me a bunch of stuff here. Thank you. Oh, that's what we got. Well, I don't feel anything else. Maybe down at the bottom. Ah, yes. There she blow. And an oil. So what looks like here, I've got a butter. I've got a poured butter. No beeswax, no bull crap. Get you some. And then a balm. Okay. So, I think that's it. There is a lot of garbage in here. And I think that's going to do it. But I want to make certain. Oop. Let's see. What is this? You go fishing. There's a note. What else? All right. All right. Always take your time, y'all. Now, if I missed anything, I think we're golden. Okay. All right. Let's get that down there and make sure none of the dogs get that stuff, because that is not good. So, let's just start out with the card. Owner-operator, made in Wellston, Ohio. TheBeardedPup.com. Awesome. Men's Care. Look at that decal. That's cool. It's going to go on a water bottle for sure. Let's see what we got here as a note. Mike, thanks for the opportunity to get your opinion on some of our products. We look forward to your review. Thanks, Ron Sowers. The Bearded Pup. Well, for right now, it's going to be my first impressions and unboxing of these scents that he sent me and these butters that he sent me. I have already got one of them, which is his oud. The Bearded Pup oud. In the oil and the balm. So I've already tried that. Let's see what's in this. Maybe some samples. Yeah, that's some samples. Let's get those out so you can see those. Those are cool. All right. Get my big head out of the way. There we go. So this is Biker's Blend, Barber Pole, Home Wrecker, Suit and Tie, and Beard Grow. Looks like a serum. Let's just try these out real quick. Barber Pole. They're not very strong out of the bottle. Probably because they're cold. Oh, that one's nice. I can smell that one. It's more of a loud scent profile. Biker's Blend. Home Wrecker. I've been really wanting to try this Home Wrecker. A lot of people. Oh yeah, that's a fresh cologne smell right there. Ooh, that's sexy. Suit and tie. Oh, that one's nice too. That's a cologne. Whew, that's a clean scent as well. And this Beard Grow, I don't know what it is, but it'll be all listed on this website, family. Huh. That one's probably the second loudest one out of all of them, the scent profile. There's Beard Grow. I love those labels. But that's the samples. What he has sent me is the Wingman in the oil. I see a pipe on there. That's nice. Let's see if it has a scent profile on here. Nope, it has ingredients, which is pure organic oil blend, premium essential oil and or fragrance oils. Nut allergen, discontinue if irritation occurs. Comb is needed. I don't see the scent profile of anything on here, the ingredients, the carriers, but they're organic. Let's get this garbage off of here. Garbage, as I say. And then he sent me a natural 3-ounce butter, which is cool. It's got the label all the way around it. No beeswax, no bull crap. Get you some. Beard up. Directions. Let's read you some of these ingredients. A special blend of 8 butters to nourish and moisturize the man mane and skin. Our butter is for deep moisturizing during the day or night. Ingredients: jojoba, aloe vera, hemp seed, avocado, shea, mango, kokum, and cocoa butters. Coconut oil, fragrance, and or essential. You can see that. Maybe get this to go in there a little bit better. Oh yeah, that's nice. No really scent to it at all. I can't smell anything. That'll be nice. Nighttime. I got this stuff all over the place. It's peanuts. Garbage. And then he sent me the balm in Wingman. And then he also sent me a night blend sampled poured butter. This is poured butter. Lavender. Let's see if it's got the ingredients on here, family. Special blend of butters, nourish to moisturize. Same thing. Ingredients: jojoba, aloe vera, hemp seed, avocado, shea, mango, kokum, and cocoa butters. Fragrance and or essential oils. I smell lavender. A dominant lavender smell out of that. Night blend. I can see why, for relaxing. So let's tap into this oil. Let's see what Wingman's all about. Oh yeah, I gotta get some of that out. That's definitely tobacco. Yeah, let's put it on my back of my hand because I have some. You can see that's a medium oil. Oh man, that is a cologne. Fresh. I can smell some tobacco in that. Some fruit of some kind, maybe cherry. So maybe a cherry tobacco. I don't know. I'll have to look on the website. That's going to be amazing to wear. And then his balm. I can smell a little bit of the carrier blend. Oh, that's smooth. I'll get it out of my face. Oh, that's going to be nice. Very nice. Very conditioning. It has pure beeswax. This is his balm. Shea butter, organic oils, premium essential oils, and or fragrance oils. Not for use if pregnant, discontinued if irritation occurs. Hand blended in Ohio. That's going to be nice. Oh yeah. Melts down great. Yeah, I can smell that carrier. Just a little bit. The beeswax. Oh, that's going to be great. So that's what I've got for you, family. I will use this for the next few days and tell you what I think. I'll be back on Saturday to do the full review on, how it's treated, how it's held my beard down. Rock this lid. Yeah, man, another one for the collection. I really like this hat. Looks good. That is a nice hat. I appreciate it, Ron, very much. I'm excited to get this stuff in beard, slap it in. I'm going to use this natural butter tonight. I'll put some oil in. I'll try this Wingman tonight. Maybe some samples. I don't know. I may go with a sample tonight. But that's cool that I've got the samples to use as well. So I've got some oils. I've got a butter to go with it. I've got a balm in a Wingman scent, which is cool. If I have a discount code, I will link it all down below for you, family. But that's what I've got for you. I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them and that you're proud of them. Go pick somebody up. It's been a great, blessed day, and I'm glad you came back and chilled with me. Thanks for hanging out for this unboxing and first impressions. I like it a lot. And I also have this one I can use as well. I can use that, rock that stuff. My camera is not focusing tonight. There we go. Get in there. I think it's my big old melon. But I love that oud. I love that oud stank. Hashtag oud stank. So guys, down below there are a subscribe button. Hit the like button. Share. Comment. Do all those things. You know how to do that. Leave a comment below if you've ever tried the Bearded Pup before, or if it's been on your list. I will probably have something posted, linked up here that you guys can hit and go check out a video, or it'll be on the side of me here. So, you know how it goes. All right, family. God bless. Peace.